Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam bag for October, and this is probably one of my favorite bags I've ever received. It's all black, has the little vampire teeth with a green lipstick for the zipper. Super cool. So let's take a look. Pretty wicked. And that does have my products on it, so I'm going to set that aside and just start going through it. So the first one we have is a detox shampoo for all hair types. I love getting shampoos, so super excited for that. Also have detoxifying charcoal body scrub. Has argan oil and manula oil in it. That's pretty cool. Definitely use that. Next we have an eye primer, which is perfect. I'm just about out of the one that I'm using now. So I have that one. I haven't tried anything from that brand, I don't think. And a eyeliner pen. Also just ran out of that too. Super excited for that. And the last item is a smooth and supple lip mask melt. Evening Primrose, it says. Pretty cool. You just smooth it on and allow it to absorb. So let's take a look at the card. So far, looks like all products I'll use except for maybe the lip melt. I'll see, but definitely use the eyeliner and the body scrub and the primer and the shampoo. And of course, love the bag. It is adorable. So yeah, if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, check out my description box below. You could use my referral link if you'd like, or if you'd like to look at playlists to see past Ipsy bags, I definitely have a playlist with several years worth of bags. So yeah, check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.